Mfoka Mahaya asibingelele.
Ngiyabingelela hlezi kumnandi kuba nani bafethu. Ngiyabingelela.
Dento Santos asibingelele ba.
Ngiyabingelela nami ngithi ke Durban Network sikhona.
Kehlala. Mfowethu hlamba ke siqale ngokubuka into eyenzakala namhlanje. Kwenzakalana awusathi sibe.
No, today we are here at music school in Durban, around Durban. What we are doing today is to witness a unity of supporters, whereby our supporters ekwazi ukuhlangana ona wodwa form some sort of an organization, a NPO, whereby they are seeking for justice in terms of support and funding, and also given a fair chance to go and watch their teams in stadium. But what is important today is that it's a remarkable day in terms of saying supporter, this thing has been so long overdue in supporters to say, supporter, they must be united. They must find a core sport where they can gather together and support football freely, expressing their freedom of associate without any interference of their teams privately. But as supporters of football, as football lovers, cough it out whatever thoughts and ideas that I have about their province and football in the province. So yileso ke isikhathi esisibona namhlanje nesiswitnessayo ukuthi nangempela yes sikhona la bazolontsha ke lesi structure ngokusemthethweni.
Knowing very well ukuthi ama football fans analo kwakubukana ngendlela ethile kulula kangako yini ukuthi bangahlangana, knowing them ukuthi there's rivals, there's everything.
Yeah, of course, there's rivals indeed, but I'm a president of supporters in KZN. That one, you know, I'm a president of all football supporters in KZN, and also not even KZN outside. Why is that? Because ngipreacha le gama leli lithi uthando lebhola, #uthando lebhola. Ibhola asingalibuki ngokweyikipa, but asibuke ngokwegame. Ukuthi prior before ujoin team noma ugqoka iskipa sen team noma uthanda iqembu walazi kanjani ibhola, akube naleyo mindset edeveloper kubantu uthi ngawuthanda kanjani umdlalo webhola lezinyawo versus itennis, ivolleyball in wawuchuzwa that time, wawudlala nabantu ongabazi endaweni, futhi ungeke udlale wedwa kwifamily nibe ba 22 kwifamily eyodwa, kodwa uyodlala nabafana bakwezinye igodo eminye imizi. Uthando lwani lwebhola na kanjalo noma sesikhula sithi ikipa asifane nemndeni, ayifane nalabo abafana baseyigodini esasidlala nabo, azingabi ikipa idivision, sasingekho divided, sikhule si-united endaweni sazi ukuthi abafana bakabantu badlala nabakabani ibhola ini kanjalo. Kodwa ungadlali wedwa ezomahaya nonke nibe ba 22 egroundini, ububa mahaya wedwa ube uzindela kuba usikhakhana niyoshaya iteam ethile. Kanjalo nasebholeni masifuna ukuconquerisha ivision yebhola kumele sihlangane siyamaqembu ahlukahlukene ebhola, sibe ne-idea yodwa le abayibiza ngokuthi ideology, si draft i-ideology about our teams, then sihambe siphokophelele siyofika kule goal esisho ukuthi ungena ama stadiums sikhokha imali zethu yonke into, kodwa egcineni ubizwe ngolamthuthu akukho emthethweni.
Mfowethu ngicela nje ubeke amabili amathathu with regards to the formation of the 12 man group.
No, mina ngiyabonga kakhulu ngeformation ye 12 man group. I12 man group ikwazile ukuthi ke isihlanganise sabalandeli bama team. Into bengajwayelekile kudala. I remember kwakukhona lokho ukuthi uma ufika e-stadium ubuzwe ukuthi kusupporta yipi team, uyohlala ngala uhlala. So kwabuya kwashintsha ke manje we are trying to get the fans in KwaZulu Natal ukuthi sihlangane sibe muntu munye. I will give an example lokuthi we are feeling marginalized ngoba asirecognized. Uyobone ko AFCON uma ubheka ama supporters, ama super fans, the so called super fans, abantu akekho noyedwa kule province oba yi-super fan. So sifuna ukuyishintsha lento sibe into ekwazi ukuthi bazi ukuthi ke no iKZN iyona nayo iprovince ethanda ibhola. To support my argument, uma kusho ukuthi let's say ibafana yiza or any final, any big event iza eMoses Mabhida, it's sold out. And siyakwazi ukuthi sifike siyalithanda ibhola and sicela ukuthi basi recognize. Ngiyabonga.
mfowethu Mahaya sesiya phambili kuye kwanezinkulumo ke zabekwa umfoka Jali uAndile Jali ngomfana osakhulayo lapha umfukengi what do you respond to that?
Now Andile Jali utshengisa ukuba ukhulile yabo. Let's be honest. I'm honest with that. Khulile uJali. uJali bafethu mina ngasho ubuye ephondweni.
Yes.
Emampondweni noma kaXhosa. Angithi emampondweni, you understand? The way they speak bona themselves,
yes,
baya emphasize amagama, bayawagcizelela. Nanokuthi umthole kusiphi isimo ngaleso sikhathi, ivolume ibe phezulu. Njengabantu abayazi imic, nabajwayele uku-interview, sikuthola kunzima uku-interpretwa abantu abangayijwayele imic. uJali bayam-interpreta, but uma ulalela inkulumo ka-Andile Jali sober and iyona. It's fair. You can't compare umuntu ose over decades in the field of play, comparison nomuntu osazama ukwakha ifuture yakhe. You can't do that. uThemba Zwane mawuzokhumbula bake bamcomparison noDr Khumalo. Baze bathi mkhulu okudlula uDr Khumalo. Namhlanje mase kufika umfukeni akasayilutho manje uThemba Zwane. Sekumfukeni manje omkhulu. Kusho ukuthi thina siyoze sife singena legend ke South Africa. There is no legend because thina sihamba ngokwestyle. Remember, if you could reverse your mind, you'll see ukuthi bake bathi uMaswangayi mkhulu kunobani noJomo Sono. Same people we pirate. Kanti ubani kanti kuyipirate ngempela umbuzo umuntu orelevant nomkhulu lapha kuPirate.
Ucabanga ukuthi Dos Santos kube ukugagamela yini ukuqala kwama support mhlambe a compare uLokhunja umfukengi nabantu abanjengozwana?
No, into eyenzeka njengoba echaza uBamahaya kwaba misinterpretation ngoba
asesikhulumela okwama support ngoba into ebuya kuma support ukuthi afile ngathi umfukengi uselificile izinga labantu abanjengozwana.
No, unfortunately akakalifiti. Yeah, so angeke sikwazi ukuthi ke sifuthi akufanele siloku sikhuluma loludaba ngoba abantu abaningi bazosuka baloku belijaja and it's something not debatable. Yebo. Ngiyabonga.
Mahaya ngathi busaqhubeka.
Of course ngisaqhubeka ngoba bengikunika nje ama examples ukuthi umfukeni baze ba-agwishe bethi in the age of 21 years umuntu wadlala kube afana representer. No man, sasinabo Steve Likulia, sasinabo Thuran Serero. Dr Khumalo wa breaker in beminyaka emgakanani. uJomo Sono lo mcomparison noMaswangayi akanayo nikhokhe elibhala uKing Jomo iphuma. Wa recognize ubani uphuma wawuthathaphi ukhona umfana senayo nono Adidas ke noma ku Nike akabi na umfana usagrind is coming right and is doing well for the nation and also his family. Umfukeni uqinisile uJali uMezethu uke wathi udisappear bekunale ya issue yayithi umfukeni ufunwa yini iBarcelona ufuna ukuhamba kweParade wanyamalala lapha impela icishe yaphela isizini singamboni uqinisile uJali. Hey, awenge kutshele kanje abantu beParade there's 3 things that they need to learn in our legal fraternity is that there is a thing that called an opinion. uJali speaks based on his opinion. He even said on my opinion. Ebese kuba secondly it's a feeling. Ebese the third one is a factuality, the fact of the matter. uJali never said that I declare as a fact. He said on my opinion. So how can you challenge your opinion yomunye umuntu? Because there is no freedom of association, there is no freedom of speech in South Africa. This is another account. Siqala ukwazi ngabantu bePirate thina ukuthi akasekho umuntu onelungelo lokukhuluma indaba zakhe. Sekumele sikhulume sibe nama guidelines masikhuluma. Pirate version leyo sishila kunina. That is why ngathi ngelinye ilanga wathi uKarl Marx quote nje Karl Marx. Wathi uKarl Marx the politician or the politician norm, the leader without education is a potential criminal. We lead, but you're not well educated. You are a potential criminal. To being there, lead those structures, but you have base. You lead those structures. Now you have vision. You have structures. Ibhola, but they evolve. Ibhola, they evolve. Therefore, ibhola sizohamba siyalifunda. Nabethu bazi uyabona uma ungabuka iPirate system the way edlala ngakhona, ubuka iSundowns system, ubuka iChiefs, lama team awuthira adlala isystem engafani. Futhi adlala ibhola elingafani. Therefore, it's unfair to compare uAndile Jali versus igeneration kaMfukeni. badlala amabhola angafani uJali wayedlala futhi uJali umukhuluma ngaye wena useke wawina iCAF Champions League istar sikhona because of uJali uJali una 3 ama triple kwiPirate uJali ukhuluma uqedile kuSundowns MTN Nedbank una ×2 uJali okhuluma ngaye wena ukhuluma ngoJali successful lobuya kuyiPirate ngithi nina kanti wa recognize nini ama veteran nama legends wenu nina ingakho iPirate kanje iyohlezi ngena legend because nonke abantu niyabahawulisha nibathatha ngabantu bokufika kwifield of play they are not uJali legend yePirate mudala ukuthi uhambe wa Sundowns waya overseas siwa yini iOrlando Pirates akekho umuntu obedlula kuJali ngisho unengomasho yamazwe uJali utsikitsiki muku yamazwe andile Jali kanjani namhlanje bese kuthi uJali akayilutho siyamazi thina uJali sazi ngisho abantu ebedlala nabo esino manyisa siyamazi uJali siyamazi uCosta Republic through uJali but uJali namhlanje useyisilimo usesiduphungu
I-question niku final ye-Nedbank edlala I think ngezi-2 zaka May ePulukwane mfowethu do you hope to grab that one?
That is a given. That's a definitely. Ngizokhuluma yabo njengoba ngikhuluma ngeDurban City ne. iDurban City uma sikhuluma ngomlando ne. Asizoza kuloya mlando wakudala. Unfortunately bekuyiMaritzburg United and then yashintsha ya rebranda kwaba iDurban City. We were in the finals as iMaritzburg United Cape Town sidlala neFree State Stars. Unfortunately asiwazanga ukuthi siwin but this time it's our time this time is our time and into ngicelayo kubalandeli bala eKwaZulu Natal ukuthi ke sambeni sonke siyobuka le final we are speaking to ama instructors team ukuthi ke azama ukuthi asixhase ngetransport umuntu ozoba nesikhathi come and join us asambeni let us paint iPeter Mokaba Stadium blue sibuya nayo indebe we will be parading icup la KwaZulu Natal yes so yiko akhathalekile ukuthi uyiChiefs uyiPirates uyiRichards Bay but now we are the only ones representing iKwaZulu Natal kuyi-Nedbank Cup so come one come all ngiyacela
Mfowama hayi le team enibiza ngola Mthuthu izolo iluzi ithuba lokuthi ithathe ileague kuthini ukuphawula kwa
angiboni ukuthi iluzile yet remember ukuthi ngabe sine VAR 3 Pirates asina VAR abayifuni buzo ukuthi why bangayifuni
why
bafuna ukwenza la yanto bebenza ukungena negoli no goalkeeper konke phakathi because kuthiwa bekune VAR ngibuza wena belizoba khona lela khona
belingeke libe khona kodwa banga khona vele
ngiyabonga mina ngithi mina le free kick le yana uMbuthuma ewa phansi lapho uMbuthuma ngoba eyiwise phansi nje bayizoba khona le free kick
engeke ibe
ngithi mina laba bantu kade bayiplana lento yabo awukwazi ukuthenga uMorim kumaZulu uMorim mase fika kwafika vuta phela angabe uMorim awukwazi ukuthenga uMbuthuma lapha kwiRichards Bay uzokhumbula udaba kaMbuthuma uthi balikhuluma kakhulu uMbuthuma lapha khona noma whoever khona mele babonge iDurban Network ukuthi is fighted for uMbuthuma yithina sakhuluma lento ukuthi akanikwe iteam ngoba akanikwe ilende ithuba ngoba iteam esikholelo ukuthi yamthatha ayingenayo inhloso yabona late silando apolice ukuthi no ilethe umuntu orong kanti iChiefs ayifuna kumutilize correct asange sasho sathi uMbuthuma thina uyiscam sathi team akuyona iscam namanje sasho uMbuthuma usethimela right uyayiza manje ukuthi balwa nawe because abayi understand irole yakho idlala lapha egroundini futhi abasoze bayi understand ngoba bengakulandeli nakuona iRichards Bay babengakwazi ukuthi ukhonelane egroundini uMbuthuma umuntu oshifta ama defenders uhamba ne defense ebese kuqhamuka umfukena namathiselinet kuqhamuka apolice abekinet because amathi ubonaka all the time mayikori palette uMbuthuma usuke na 3 na 2 defenders uzokora kanjani 3 defenders but umsebenzi wakho ukuba shifter executed very well Mbuthuma is a top striker who knows where to place himself and how to move defense ukuze kolo umunye umuntu asinayo ke lenhlobo ama strikers afana noMbuthuma la eSouth Africa asikusho lo
asesibheke la mahaya ngokubuka ukuthi izolo badrope u2 point ekubeni bebekade bedropile nangama game athize adlule mawubuka basanalo yini ithuba lokuthi bayithathe league
no to be honest ngeke ngithi mina iPirate ayinayo ithuba lokuthatha league because onke lento ilale ezandleni zani se-Sundowns. Sundowns manje uqhubeka iqobe nje ifuthuze. Nathi si-Sundowns sihamba nayo. Ngoba sikhathele ukurojwa manje. Kodwa ngithi if futhi i-envelope ebrown izoqina iziqine nakuma opponent ngokwe-Pirate. Izoyithatha ile ngoba phela le envelope le uyayibona na ukuthi tough. Ithiki kakhulu le envelope. I-envelope eyenza ugoalkeeper athi athangaze ugoalkeeper alale phansi ngakakhahlelwa kuthi noma seliphethwe iopponent iGalaxy ugoalkeeper still yena usanqasha ngathi ingane ifile ngathi ufile bamshuphula ikhanda. Wawazapha lawo magoli lawana the last game ebesidlala eGorela Korombuthuma le ama-transitions abawashaya igoli yanto ukuthi ugoalkeeper abendawonye uMbuthuma vele ayishaya ulokhu ngane umfokela ayishaya ibhola izelwa ingane igoli yanto ibisa ngegoli kuthiwa mina ngiyi Orlando Pirates decent nemele bafana leyo simela kwi-World Cup. Bengizothi retreat all those goals. Ngisale namagoli amasobhe engiwashayile. Musana ukungibiza ukuthi ngino 5 goals. Thaneni ngina 3 engiwashayile ngoba lele linye le elaphuma la esandleni.
Angayivuma umnqithi lento ekhulumayo ukuthi wadayisana game.
Umnqithi uyavuma akavumi ijoy abenayo after that ne hatred anayo against Sundowns. Akayifuni Sundowns lo baba lo. Wenza ngokusemandleni ukuthi iPirate idlula ngamagoli athe xaxa kuzi iyehlise ini Sundowns. Okwesibili ngoba engayifuni Sundowns. Okwesithathu wayejabula nabo. Waze waxoxa nabo. Khumbula idlala neChiefs umnqithi uthi wayedinwe kanjalo wayefa ngo-1-0. Pirate 5-0 ushaye uhebhini ngakwenza ube happy ngo-5-0. Ngisho bona abadlali bakhe labo sikhwishi bahamba bayodlala bayoncokola nobani noNcikazi. Ayisho ukuthini lonto le? Sold out, igame sold.
Thiwa igame yathengiswa kusho wena usikelela amahaya bengino Dos Santos we Durban City nosikelela amahaya we Kaizer Chiefs nganza kwe this is Durban Network. Danko.